Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enter recovery mode on this phone. So to get started, hold your power button. From here, select power off. And when the device turns off, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now when you see the Honor logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this will take us to the recovery mode. And here we have a couple different options, so we can restart, which takes us back to Android, clear data, which consists of factory reset and wipe cache partition, and then update mode along with safe mode. So you can also see that you can just click on one of these options, and that's all you need to do, which I'm kind of pointing that out is because most other devices require you to use volume buttons to navigate. Here you can just touch it normally, so it's much nicer. Anyway, once you select restart, it just goes through a reboot of the device and then boots us back into Android, which we should see in a second. There we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.